Do you need to repeatedly create a document with Affinity Designer and the preset you need isn't provided? Today we'll show you how you can create your own custom presets in Affinity Designer. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, Derek here at Bitulent. Affinity Designer is an amazing tool, but sometimes you need to customize it a bit to increase your productivity. Today we're going to show you just how to do that. Make sure you stick around to the end because I will also share with you how to create 2 handy YouTube presets for any creators out there. Now, let's do this. Go ahead and open up Affinity Designer and create a new document. The presets you see at the top are the ones that are provided by Affinity. In order to create your own custom preset, focus solely on the properties you see here in the right panel. I typically like to start off with the document units so I can define the quality level of my document. Pixels is a good one. Dots per inch, I typically like to go high on this so the quality is there as well. Decide on your page width and page height. Is your orientation going to be portrait or is it going to be landscape? And continue going through each of these properties until you get this preset set exactly as you need it, and then click on this plus button at the top. Now what this does is creates an unnamed preset under the My Presets tab. Go ahead and give this preset a descriptive name by right-clicking on it and selecting Rename Preset. Also, over time, some of your presets may become outdated and you just need to remove them. Simply right-click on the preset and delete the preset. And that is how you create custom presets in Affinity Designer. As I mentioned earlier, I'm going to show you how to create 2 handy YouTube presets. The first is a preset for YouTube channel art. YouTube's recommendation for channel art size as of 2020 is 2560 by 1440 pixels. Do remember when you create your art that it will render differently on TVs, computers, and mobile devices. So put some focus on how it will display on each of these. The second is a preset for creating a YouTube thumbnail. YouTube's requirement for thumbnail size is 1280 by 720 pixels with a minimum width of 640 pixels. Supported image formats of JPEG, GIF, or PNG, and the size is limited to under 2 megabytes. So there you go, 2 handy presets for you to use in Affinity Designer. I hope you enjoyed our video today, and if you did, please like it and subscribe to our channel so you will catch all our helpful, tippy, and tricky bits of info. Thanks, and we'll catch you later.